Hello from Turtle Beach, or in Greek, Paralia Helonas. And it is my very first time on this small but interesting beach that's located right next to Agia Napa Marina and also very close to Agia Thekla beach that I visited earlier. So it is 23rd of December and I'm enjoying here and having great time in Cyprus, where I'm gonna be staying for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna explore lots of different beaches here on my channel. So when I was here in summer, I didn't visit this beach because I think I didn't have time. But now that I'm gonna stay here longer, I will have time to explore even more beaches. So I visited earlier Agia Thekla, check out that episode as well. So now I'm showing you this beach for the first time, and there is nobody here. I'm all alone, as you can see. And there are some apartments overlooking the beach. And there are some waves also today. It's quite warm though, 20 degrees Celsius in the air and also 20 degrees Celsius in the water as well. Super nice temperatures for this late in December. Well, it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, 24 tomorrow. So what a fantastic idea it is to spend the winter holidays in the paradise here in Cyprus. So let's then check out also the watery side, as I'm showing you also the beach. So this beach is located around 4 to 5 kilometers from the center of Agia Napa. And look at that, it's amazing, brilliant. Let's go waves! So there are some stones on both sides of the beach so that there won't be too large of waves here. It's amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is 2:30 p.m. right now. Sun is still up, but yes, the sunsets here are around 4:30. So I'm gonna have 2 more hours of sunshine here. And the entrance here is not fully sand, it's mixed with small rocks. So yeah, and it's getting deep quite fast here. All right, I think we are ready to dive in, right? Let's go! Amazing, amazing, amazing. What a beautiful day to enjoy here in Cyprus. And from the beach here you can also see the Agia Thekla church that I checked out earlier in the previous episode. And that's about it, nothing much. We can also see the big building that's part of Agia Napa Marina. I think there is also a beach over there that I might check out later. But for now, that's a wrap from Turtle Beach, or in Greek, Paralia Helonas, here in Agia Napa, Cyprus. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!